So 0 is the additive identity and this is the multiplicative identity.
1.
Okay,
1.
1 is the multiplicative identity. Okay, so starting doing problems, I will explain what is reciprocal. I think you have studied the reciprocal last year, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Reciprocal. What do you mean by reciprocal? What are reciprocals? How can I make this? Okay. Okay, so we will start with the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Advait, what's the reciprocal? What do you mean by reciprocal? Advait, can you hear me? Reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Advait. Isha, what's the reciprocal? Isha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, rational numbers are written in P by Q form. Reciprocal is denominator by numerator.
Yes, we will just reverse the order of the rational number. If it is P by Q, the reciprocal will be Q by Q.
Q by
Okay, you are correct. You are correct. Okay. So reciprocal and when we multiply a number with its reciprocal, what will be the answer? Albert, King Albert. When we multiply a number by its reciprocal, what will be the answer? Albert, think. Adikesh.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Adikesh, when we multiply a number by its reciprocal, what will we do? Just think.
Ma'am, I didn't get the question. It's not clear.
I will repeat. When we multiply a number by its reciprocal, what will we get? Pooja.
1 minute.
Pooja. Adikesh, you said what? Adikesh? I didn't hear. Do you say any answer?
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am.
No problem. Pooja. All of you try. Pooja, when we multiply a number by its reciprocal, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, correct. If P by Q is a number and we multiply P by Q by its reciprocal Q by P, what happens? We can cancel Q from both numerator and denominator. Also, we can cancel P from numerator and denominator. So, answer is equal to 1. Like 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 equal to what? Cancelling
1.
4, cancelling 3, we will get 1. Which means it is the multiplicative. 1 is our multiplicative identity. When we multiply a number by its reciprocal, we will get the multiplicative identity. Okay, all of you Write the heading reciprocal. Write the heading reciprocal. Then write for a rational number, for any rational number, for any rational number P by Q, for any rational number P by Q, comma, Q by P is called, Q by P is called reciprocal. It's reciprocal. Q by P is called its reciprocal. And P by Q into Q by P is equal to 1. P by Q into Q by P is equal to 1. Then put an arrow. Then write multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. When we multiply a number by its rational number, we will get its multiplicative identity. That is 1. When we multiply a number by its reciprocal, we will get multiplicative identity. Okay. Now, write the reciprocal of first question. Write the reciprocal of, all of you wrote this one, this box, P by Q into Q by P is equal to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, write a question. Write the reciprocal of, can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Write the reciprocal of 6 by 3, negative 7 by 2, 9 by 7, 5, and 7 each, negative 13, F is negative 14 by 7, G is negative 8 by negative 30. Okay, all of you write the reciprocal of these numbers. Write the answer. Write the reciprocal. Reciprocal also known as multiplicative inverse. That we will write. Reciprocals also known as multiplicative inverse. Okay, we will start. Lynette, what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reciprocal of first? 6 by
3
6.
by 6.
3 by
3
6.
by 6.
3 by 6. We can simplify into 1 by
1
2.
by
That
2.
also correct answer. Lakshmi, second answer. Lakshmi Nandakumar, second answer.
2 by negative 7.
2 by negative 7, or we can write it as negative 2 by 7. Negative we can put into a numerator also. That also we can do. Fadil, next
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. 7 by 9.
7 by 9. Next is Nandana Sharath.
Yes, ma'am.
Next answer is
No, 1 by 5.
1 by 5, correct. Now, Irene, switch on your video, Irene.
1 by 13. 1 by negative 13.
Irene, 1 by negative 13, or we can write negative 1 by 13. Switch on the video, Irene. Isha, next answer. Isha,
7 by negative 14.
7 by negative 14, or we can write 7 here we can cancel. It is negative 1 by 2. So 7 twos are 14 and negative we can take into the numerator. Wait, Murali. Next answer.
36 by 8.
Hmm?
Negative 36 by
Negative 36 by negative 8. But Advait, both numerator and denominator having the sign negative. So what can we do?
4 by 2. 4 by 2.
Huh?
Negative 4 by 2.
Negative 4 by.
Ma'am,
I'm
pause.
asking.
Ma'am,
Wait,
36 by
wait,
8.
wait. Others keep quiet. Advait Murali. I'm asking. Both numerator and denominator are negative. So we can negative by negative is
positive.
positive. Good. So we can write it is 36 by 8. And again we can simplify. Simplify it. So we can write 18 divided by 4. Again 2 we can cancel this 9 by 2. So it is 9 by 2. 36 by 8. Because negative divided by negative is positive. So both the negative can cancel. 36 by 8. And we are simplifying. 8, we can cancel 4. No need to do 2 first, again 2. You can directly cancel 4. Both 36 and 8 are multiples of 4. Okay. Okay. Now, Anashwara, next answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Negative 76 by 42.
negative 76 by 42 and simplify
42.
simplify simplest form, right? In simplest form. 76 can be
2.
to cancel 2. What you will get? Cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator. The simplest form will be what? Sridev? What is the simplest form?
Negative 38 by 22.
Negative 38 by
22.
20,
2.
22, 42.
21.
21. Negative 38 by 21. Okay. Over all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Now you write a sentence. Reciprocal also known as multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal also known as multiplicative inverse, and put in a box. Sometimes question will be find the multiplicative inverse. So what is multiplicative inverse? It is the reciprocal. Both reciprocal and multiplicative inverse are same. Okay. Put that in a box. Reciprocal and multiplicative inverse means same. Next question. Write next question. Write the additive inverse of. Write the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Write the additive inverse of. Write the additive inverse. Benedict, what do you mean by additive inverse? How we will get additive inverse, Benedict?
Ma'am, negative by adding
Yes, negative of a number is its additive inverse. Yesterday we have studied negative of a number is known as additive inverse. And Benedict, when we add a number and its additive inverse, what will be the answer?
0.
0. That means additive identity. Okay, good. So write the answers. Additive inverse of Abid, first answer. Abid, additive inverse of Abid. Write the say first answer.
First one,
Ah,
negative 2 by
ah, negative 2 by 8, or we can simplify, we can write in the simplest form negative 1 by 4. We
1
can
by
cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator. So we can write it as negative 1 by 4. Next answer after Abid who's sitting, Tom Joes. Tom Joes.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the answer?
5 by 9.
5 by 9. Amaljit. Next.
6 by 5.
6 by 5. Muhammad Salim. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Salim. Next answer. Fourth answer. Tell me. Muhammad Salim. Are you there? Can you hear me? Muhammad Salim. Muhammad Salim.
Negative 2 by 29. Negative 2 by negative 9.
Additive inverse means change the sign. Change the sign. So here it is negative. So it become what? 2 by 9 is negative. So its negative is?
2 by 9.
Its negative is? Actually, we can write this as negative 2 by 9. Negative we can take into the numerator. So its additive inverse will be 2 by 9 only. 2 by 9 only. Negative of 2 by negative 9. So it is 2 by 9. Okay, Vaishnavi, next answer.
by 6.
Next answer is
19 by 6.
19 by
6.
19 by 6. Then next one,
Negative.
Edlio, next answer.
Negative 36 by 4.
Negative 36 by 4, or we can write it as
9
negative
by 1.
9. 36 by 4 is 9.
9.
Now, Albert, which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
next answer is?
Negative 8 by 3.
Negative 8 by 3. Nivedya Rose, next one. Nivedya, what is the additive inverse of negative 10?
10 by 1.
Huh?
10 by 1.
Nivedya, 10. It is 10. No need of denominator. It is, you just change the sign for additive inverse. For multiplicative inverse, we will write the reciprocal. Okay. Okay. Now, next set of questions.
1255 മുതല് 130 ആണ് കാട്ടുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പൊ മാത്താണ് അവരെടുക്കുന്നത്.
All of you mute your audio. Mute the audio. Next one is mute the audio. Some disturbance is coming. Or ask your parents to keep quiet. Okay. Next one is write the question. Using appropriate properties, find. Using appropriate properties, using properties, find using appropriate properties, find. First question, negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Okay. We have to use some of the properties. Okay. All of you wrote the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Albert, did you wrote the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you just see this term, the first term and last term contains 3 by 5 common, isn't it? 3 by 5 is common. Also, we know that addition is commutative. So we can collect those two terms together. So I will write negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. And plus 5 by 2. Negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus, I'm writing plus. Then this negative sign I'm giving to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Or one second, other negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Okay. All of you see these two terms. Anything is common in these two terms? What is common there?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. That 3 by 5 we can take an outside. 3 by 5. In bracket, distributive property is coming. In bracket, what is remaining? First term, what is remaining? When we take this 3 by 5, remaining is negative 2 by 3 remains. Minus the second term 1 by 6. Close the bracket along with our 5 by 2. Understood all of you? Benedict, got it? Now the bracket we can do calculation 3 by 5 into, here taking LCM, negative 12 minus 3 by 18 or 6 is enough. Take 6, LCM as 6. So 3 by 5 into negative 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So 3 by 5 into negative 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Again 3 by 5 into negative 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. 5 we can cancel. Okay. Again 3 and 6 2 times. So remains what? The first term. What's remaining there?
5 by 2.
5, no, 5 I cancelled from numerator and denominator. 3, 2 times in 6. So what is remaining in the first term?
2.
Only 2? 2
Negative 1.
negative 1 by 2, not 2. It is negative 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Which means negative 1 plus 5 by 2. It is equal to 4 by 2. Answer is 2. Once again, I will explain once again. Once again. If anybody have any doubt, you wait. Others, you can write with me. Okay. If anybody have doubt, you concentrate while I'm writing. Others, you can write with me. Okay. So, in the question, we have 3 terms. First term and last term has 3 by 5 as common factor. So, we are collecting those 2 terms together. So, negative 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Finally, this plus 5 by 2. Okay. Now, from first term and second term, we are taking 3 by 5 as common factor. Remains negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Distributive property. This is which property you are using? Distributive property. Plus our 5 by 2. Which is equal to 3 by 5 into, here we are doing the calculation, LCM is 6. So, negative 4 minus 1, negative 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay, which is equal to 3 by 5 into negative 5 by 6. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So, this we can write 3 by 5 into bracket we can remove because only one term and multiplication by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. So, we can cancel 5. 2 is common. So, negative 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which is equal to 4 by 2. Answer is 2. Correct? Got it, Tom? Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abid, understood? Abid? Pooja? Got it?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Ask.
Ma'am, how this negative 4 minus 1 by 6 is coming? Ma'am, that I didn't understand.
Okay, this step, isn't it? Negative 4 minus 1. Negative 4 minus 1, how can we do this? Negative 4, subtraction means change the sign and add. Did you study that? Subtraction means what? In natural integers, subtraction means change the sign and add. So, negative 4, this subtraction I am changing into addition. And 1 is positive, I am changing its sign as negative 1. So, it is negative 5. Yes.
Ma'am, not that one. The step before that one.
Before that. Okay.
Negative 2 by 3 minus 1.
Okay, this is actually addition of rational numbers. That's why I sent many work problems to you. I know you are lagging with that addition of rational numbers. Negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. What is the LCM here? Pooja? 3 and 6. What is the LCM? LCM of 3 and 6 is? Okay. Today also I will send some questions from your 7th standard. Okay, Pooja. LCM of 3 and 6. 3, 1, 2. So LCM is 6. 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. So we will multiply 6 here. Here.
Ma'am.
Yes. 2 into, yes? Who's calling me? Any doubt? Whole 6. Pooja, I will explain this in the next class. Pooja,
Okay, ma'am.
because our time is up. Pooja, I will send some more problems today. All of you do those questions because the addition of rational numbers, you have to be thorough with that. Okay, Pooja, don't worry, I will explain in the next class. Before that, you have to do some more questions on addition of rational numbers. Okay, bye all of you. We will meet in the next class. Yes?
Ma'am, should we do this homework questions in notes?
Yes, everything in notes. Everything in notes. Okay. Okay, bye all of you. We will meet in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.